Hello people, see I'm back in this beautiful spot that I used to do a lot of my video recordings at. And uh, people, I yesterday I bought this lovely pretty little bag. It's from Crosswords. And see, it's this lady doing, just tribal lady. um, so I think uh, y- this art that is from these the so-called tribal art or this thing, it's very special, so we should encourage it. So I felt like showing you the video, showing you that bag, because like I was just thinking I want to shoot my videos in the style of a vlog, like as in I'm speaking about my day, about things I bought, thing, because I think that's nice, conversational and everything. And after long I'm shooting here, so it's like very beautiful. It's like almost 5:30 in the evening, and the sun might set in some time, but until then I can shoot. So, and I was just thinking of it, like if I make it only 1 minute videos, then I can my target is to upload 365 videos by I don't know, March 19th. Generally March 19th is a day that is um yeah, that's my aim. So let's see if I can do it. It's just 1 minute videos, and this is already 1 minute 30-second video. So thanks for watching people, and please subscribe.